Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another review of an amazing TTD color contact lenses that I have received in my PR package. The shades are Glacier Blue, Ocean Purple, JK Brown, and Kitten Green. These shades are super pretty, look natural, and most importantly, so comfortable in your eyes. And also, these are yearly lenses, so they last one whole year. So if you want to see the best color contacts for dark eyes, then keep on watching. So here are my natural eyes. So I'm going to try number one shade is JK Brown. This is my most favorite one, and this is so natural and so pretty. The dark outer circle blends really well with the pattern on the inner ring that add charm to your eyes. So this shade is the best for everyday look. The next color is Glacier Blue. This is an amazing vibrant blue color. Look how amazingly it has completely changed my look. Next color is Kitten Green, and this color looks so cute in the eyes. In the last, I have got Ocean Purple, the clear and deep like an ocean, which gives you a really natural and a purple eyes. So if you want to purchase these color contact lenses or any other colors, because they have huge collection, so you can use my code shades SHADEZ, and this time you will get 15% discount. So my discount code and TTD Colored Eye, their official website and Instagram link is in my description box. You can go and place your order. Thank you so much guys for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.